Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video to share with you as we take you on a weekend getaway to enchanting hill station of Ooty via the breathtaking forest of Bandipur. So fasten your seatbelts and let's get started. We began our journey on a Saturday, the sun rising over horizon as we hit the road. We made a quick stop for the breakfast. It was quite delicious as it was by the roadside. The local flavors truly made our taste buds dance. Soon after, we entered the mesmerizing Bandipur forest area. The lush greenery and the diverse wildlife welcomed us into their home. And guess what? Since our vehicle was registered in Karnataka, we had a privilege of passing without an entry fee. At one point, we were fortunate enough to witness the stunning scene, a herd of deers flocking around in their natural habitat. It was truly a sight to behold and a moment we will cherish forever. They were dancing, they were roaming around, they were eating. It was nice to see them all. As we drove deeper into the forest, the connectivity vanished, but don't worry, we were well prepared with our offline maps. So if you're traveling, have your maps downloaded. As we drove further, we stumbled upon another incredible sight, a group of majestic elephants. No wonder there was a traffic. The animals had everyone captivated. I'm sure so many of us created a core memory on that day by seeing the elephants being in their natural habitat and crossing the roads. As we drove further, we entered into the stunning Madumalai Tiger Reserve, which means we are now entering the Tamil Nadu. The scenery from here would get more and more stunning and captivated because I know for sure that ahead of us lies tall pine trees and vast tea plantations and the Nilgiris, and we were enjoying the cold breeze as well along the way. The route itself was very scenic and we enjoyed thoroughly, but it was a little bit hot while we were traveling because we traveled during the uh, summer time. And yeah, there it was. The Queen of Hills, the Ooty, the cool breeze and the scenic views left us in awe. You know what? Let's take you around the Ooty through our lens in coming days. So keep our channel subscribed. Wow, look at those beautiful landscapes, the serene atmosphere, the friendly locals, and the local delicacies. Ooty truly has all of it, and we can't wait to share that with you people. Before we wrap up, we would like to ask you to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and if you are excited to see more travel content from us. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos. We love hearing from you. Bye.